Backtesting every day on top profile day 526. I'm gonna look up Outdoor Boys, put it on the side, and then continue with July. Here's a nice video.
Luke here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and it's fall here in Alaska. I'm camping in bushcraft survival shelters, hunting grouse and hares, cooking up good food, and having a great time.
Boom. Okay, let's go.
This is a place where I'd expect to see a lot of snowshoe hare or even spruce grouse. And frankly, either one of those sound pretty good for dinner tonight. There you go, those little rabbit poops. This is a great time of year to hunt snowshoe hares because they turn white in the wintertime. And it's right at the beginning of winter, but we don't have snow on the ground here yet. So it makes it really easy to see a white rabbit in all this brown. Just got to spend a lot of time looking.
Yo, Vet. Doing great, man. How are you?
An invasive beetle called the Japanese spruce bark beetle has wiped out more than 90% of the spruce trees in this forest. Large patches of forest in Alaska have just been completely wiped out by that beetle. I can see a spruce grouse sitting on a tree branch up ahead. I definitely got him. So well camouflaged. Oh, there he is.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Yo,
this is
C-Tech,
spruce
how you doing,
grouse,
man?
and they are delicious,
Private, yo.
like a wild
How you
chicken.
doing?
But you can see how
Right there, I'm doing
camouflaged
good. Nice,
they are.
man. Nice, yeah.
And they are
Good
up
there as
on
well.
the ground. They are really
Out of
hard
10,
to see.
19 today,
There's
man.
a little marking on their eye, a
19.
little red. Yeah, like
Tomorrow,
a little red
who knows?
eyebrow. The grouse
20?
have feathers on
I
their
don't know.
feet to keep their legs warm in the wintertime. But they
Did you
like
guys
to
trade
sit up
today?
in these spruce trees about 6-8 feet off the ground, and you'll see them just like a ball right there. But you have to just look and look and look. This time of year, there's rarely just one of them. I have to look around really carefully and see if I can't spot more. Well, I've got myself dinner, and this trip is off to a great start. There it is. Check it out. Those are moose bones right there. That looks like a big wolf dookie. See all the hair in it?
What does that mean out of 10? Who knows? Bro, he's been... Oh, should I share a secret? No, of course. No, he has been asking
There's
since
more wolf poop. Wolves
a
probably
bit more than 2
patrol
weeks
this trail
ago.
looking for food.
And
There's a lot of poo on it.
how much? Yes, yeah. And every time
Yeah, this looks like a decent spot to make camp.
it's one time more. Take a nice sail today. The month has been
Carried
so
this
for me
big
to
old heavy
psychology
tripod
lessons
all the
this
way
month.
here.
Nice, man. Okay,
And
nice.
I forgot the adapter, so can't use it. I have
Guessing
forgotten
W then.
so much stuff. I feel so half-cocked today. I forgot to bring paracord, and I forgot to bring any utensils or
don't worry.
plates or cups or anything like that. So just gonna challenge myself. It's all part of the fun. Before I get started on my shelter, I've got to do some prep for dinner. I brought some bread flour and yeast. Gotta make some bread, but I gotta let it ferment for a little bit. So I'm gonna start making up the dough
Yeah,
right
I didn't
now.
trade today. I was watching, I was supporting my niece at
All right, let
High
that
Rocks.
sit.
Do you guys know what that is?
Well, I think I better start cutting myself some trees. I'm gonna need a lot of poles. Yeah, look at all the
Bro,
sap
what is
oozing out of
this?
this tree. It's from the spruce bark beetles. They drill tons of holes in the bark and the trees just bleed to death. As far as the eye can
Oh, what
see,
is this?
the trees are just wiped out. I can't see a half a dozen live trees in this entire forest.
What? The High Rocks. High Rocks. High Rocks. Have you ever heard of it?
I bought this hatchet last spring on my trip to Japan. No idea what it's called, but this thing is awesome for taking tree limbs off.
Never heard of it? High Rocks? No, I didn't know. It is a bit louder than you. Oh wait, let me fix that. It should be better. Yeah, hi Rox. Let me look it up for you. Is this? It's not a Dutch thing, I think. Definitely not. International 2017. Yeah, she was doing this, man. It's just crazy. Yeah, it's this. Oh, here you can see it. Start 1 kilometer running, ski 1,000 meters, 1 kilometer running, push 50 meters, 100 kilo, I don't know, something. Then every time you do kilometers running, and man, these are yeah, these are diehards. But yeah, that's it. Avengi, maybe. No, Avengi, I want to do that as well. That would be cool. Yes, cross fitness, yeah. Are you training GXT? I have no idea what that is. So no. Oh, like you do that in a row? I've seen people. Yeah, man. Just you do that back to back, no rest. In a single day, bro. In not a single day. They did a time. They did it together, but you can also do it solo. But 1 hour and 11 minutes.
This is the most time-consuming part of the whole process. But if you use thicker logs, it goes much
You
quicker.
don't do it in a day. You do it in an hour, or depends on how long you have to take. Like you could do it in 2 hours, 3 hours, as long as you need. But yeah, I want to do an Ironman once in my life. Oh yeah, it's even more. That's even crazier, right? That's yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, that's a triathlon, right? Bro, Ironman is what? That's insane. What? No manipulation. Probably not on this day. Thursday.
Alright, there we go.
It's the fractal model TT traits and Garrett's model. Check it out. It's based on ICT concept. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I'm not training it. But I am training ICT concepts. My friend and his girlfriend did it together. I remember, but they didn't call it Hyrox something.
Alright, got my bed made.
Marathon
Ready to
is
get a
like a
fire
race in
going.
a way,
I'm
right?
getting
Yes,
hungry.
yeah. You do with other people, but the time is only for
There you go,
yourself.
just a cotton ball with some
But that
gasoline on it.
that has been
Gasoline makes it burn
really
longer and
popular
hotter,
since
and using cotton instead of dryer lines, it burns a little better.
yeah, since not too long ago. But yeah, that's called Hyrox. Hyrox.
Beetle kill spruce just goes up like gasoline.
3 endurance events, 2.4 mile swim,
So luckily it
12
rained
mile
this
bike
morning,
ride,
so everything's pretty
20.6
wet.
mile marathon run.
You wouldn't want to build a big fire like this otherwise.
Insane trick shots. What's your strategy right now? It's I'm training IVG, so very simple. Has to be a lot more context, but this is my entry model.
Then you'll have a nice bare spot.
Some sort of clean lows taken or an SMT.
Right now.
Then I want to see us have a singular Sibby here in this leg that swept the lows. So let's say we have 2 Sibbies on like a 1 minute. I'm going to 2 minute, 3 minute, etc. until there's one singular gap. I'm waiting for the market to close above this, making an IVG. That's my entry. Stop at the low, and then I'm targeting higher. If I'm even bullish. I'm back, yo. That's quick. Man, this all still looks so bearish. There are a lot of clean lows here, though. or highs. Oh, maybe not. Here. Still, I prefer lower, so it doesn't have to go all the way there. Oh man, I'm tired. Almost weekend.
Alrighty. I'm gonna get away from my campsite and
See, we have an SMT
There you
here.
go, a couple pieces of grouse breast meat. Was planning on plucking the whole bird and cooking it over the fire with the skin on, but
It's also
I
there
hit him
then.
a little bit low with the 22 and it made a bit
Also
of
have
a
an
mess.
SMT to high. Wow. Sometimes it's just so clean. Like here, I don't want to enter on this yet because it's literally 9:30. It's not even 9:30. Then here, SMT to high there. SMT here, SMT here. First tart, and then second tart, I don't even know.
Like 2-3 days worth of food
Like,
here in this bag.
this could be looking so clean, but I really don't trust 9:30 open. I've seen it so many times. Like this looks good, but 9:30 can almost do anything it wants. It could just do.
Well, the beans are gonna take a little while.
Could
to
just
cook,
go
so I'm
higher
pulling out some
instantly. I
slices
don't know.
of pilot bread, some cheese and salami. I'm making
Yeah,
myself
look at
a little
that. That's
snack.
insane.
If you don't know what pilot bread is, it's a shelf-stable cracker.
Very clean,
It's
but
really thick and hard.
don't want to take it before 9:30 there.
I may have raided the
In my eyes,
Halloween
honestly, it's
candy
gambling.
a little bit last night. See, I got the bread dough here. Let's give it a smell.
I think I know what
Oh,
you
yeah,
meant
it's
yesterday when
fermenting.
you said it's not a
Fermenting
strict
slowly
rule. You mean
because
like
of
it's
the
when
cold.
it's you're
Put
like
the dough up
ready
here,
to
let
market
the heat of the
context.
campfire warm
Not
it
a
up a
strict
little
rule for
bit.
this.
That'll
Yeah,
start
yeah.
fermenting.
Depends. It's very subjective, but it really depends on what market structure is looking like. Like here, I could have been bullish here, but I was not. But let's say I was. Like, this is just dropping all the way like this. Like, do I want to look for a long? No, not at all. Like, it has to be that obvious. Like, maybe now, okay, we're now pushing higher, but also not too sure we are holding a Sibi. Higher time is still bearish. And then do we really have something to the upside that is still there? Like, higher time frame, maybe this could be a retracement for us to go higher again. Like that, this is literally the low, but I don't want to call the bottom in this still short-term trending bearish market. So I'm just gonna zoom in, expecting for price to just respect this,
Right there to warm.
even though we disrespected this on yes. Still want to see more. 1030. Like now we're using it a bit as support. We're still pushing higher. But then if we want to go higher, like now, I probably want to look for long towards the clean highs. But then now I have to look for my entry. Like I can't enter on this. There has to be some sort of manipulation. There has to be something where I think, okay, stop losses have been taken here. So if I go long, then my stop loss won't get hunted. That's the idea basically. And this just instantly push higher. Like,
All right.
I don't know where
Where
there would be an entry for
my spoon.
almost anyone really here. Like maybe here.
You got some bread. Oh, that smells delicious. May not look fancy, but
That's
I'm
actually not
excited
bad.
to eat it.
Here I have an
Wild birds
IFG,
like
but
grouse are so incredibly lean that if you cook 'em
except
like
then,
chicken, you'll completely
except for
ruin 'em.
this,
They get
there's
very
nothing
dry.
else there
You gotta cook them like steak. You want a little bit
that I
meat.
think anyone could have entered here, right? I don't know.
Got a little hot
Like,
sauce.
yeah, maybe just a
Put 'em like
busy, but
grouse.
I don't know.
A little bit of my
It's not my
rice and
setup at
beans.
least. So now we took out that high. This now outside my kill zone. Just gonna go to PM.
Oh, that was delicious. It's
The rule's always
amazing how good
fixed.
those beans
The
taste.
right, you need an
Just
SMT or highs
onions,
taken
garlic,
out before
salt,
you look
butter,
for.
that's
Yes.
all I added.
Uh,
So good.
I just
I
like
am
to
very
say it.
full.
There has to
I
be
just
some
finished
sort
dinner
of
and
manipulation.
a few snowflakes
If I'm
coming
bullish,
down. I think
we
I'd go get
first,
my shelter finished
like if
and
you want to
get
go
going.
higher, we first must go lower. If you want to go lower, we first must go higher. So we go higher here, we first must go lower, meaning we need some sort of manipulation, either an SMT, either equal lows taken or an SMT, and when it wants to go lower, then an SMT to highs or equal highs taken. Some sort of manipulation.
These pine trunks are always a little bit pokey, and I'm always afraid they're going to pop my air mattress. So I laid this grass down to kind of give me some extra insulation and some protection.
Like now,
my pillow. It's a waterproof
I could
bag.
say, okay,
And
we're
it's
pushing
super
higher, but
fuzzy
this is
lying
so
down.
bearish.
You just take your
But because
jacket,
this is moving
shove it
higher,
in there.
we could be bearish from anywhere in here. I don't know where it's gonna reverse in this. I could mark out the senior gap here. What is it? There's not even.
Hey guys,
I could mark out like a
4:30 in the
clean
morning,
Sibi, like a
Wednesday,
4 hour year, but I don't know if it's
the
gonna reverse there.
outbound.
So I just want to probably look for a long in this until the market
From here,
shows
I'm
that it
gonna
wants to
have
go
to
lower,
depart
and
from
then
to the
I'll
left
probably look for a
and
short.
then over to the right.
But in this, I just
All right, I'm
still
gonna
wanna,
try to get some sleep and see if
yeah,
we come into camp and
follow
mess
the
with
trend.
anything. All right, good night.
See what we do here. It's actually not bad. What? Oh my. That's not bad at all. Would I have taken this? What's the R? Oh, never mind.
Well, good morning.
It's terrible.
I didn't sleep very well last night.
Yeah, let's see.
Kept getting woken up by this
So then still looking for
massive
higher.
pack of
Maybe this is
coyotes.
reversal
They
point,
were
but
running in the woods
I'm
around
not
the
sure.
tent. I first heard
Gonna
them over
wait.
here on the left, and it was so many dogs. It sounded like a
What
dog
we're
mushing
doing,
kennel.
we're in this
They
30
were
minute
doing
busy,
their
so far
laughing and their
respecting.
whooping and their barking.
I still think,
Around
okay,
2
we're
a.m.,
bullish,
they were off
but
here to
again,
the
as I
left,
said,
and
this
then
could
they
be the
worked their way
reversal
through
point
the woods in front of the tent.
for us to go lower
And
again.
then they got all the way out towards the car.
So
And
zooming
then
in, I also
sometime
don't
around
really
4 or
see
5
clean
a.m.,
highs
they
there,
came
so
back this way, and
could
this
also
sounded like a
indicate
hill
maybe that we
behind
want to
the tent.
go
But I kept the fire
lower.
going all night, and as far
Could
as I
take like
know,
clean
they
highs in here,
never
but
came into
there's
camp,
no
never bothered
IVG in
anything.
here.
But
I don't
keeping the
think.
fire going all night
Nope,
burned up my
so waiting
entire
as
pile
well.
of
I'm
wood,
honestly not
so
sure what we want to do
I
here.
need to cut some more wood.
Not gonna pretend like, oh, I know where the market is gonna go. Like sometimes you you just don't know. And this, yeah, this would be the entry. Let's say I'm bearish. Equal highs taken.
Cutting firewood's a great way to get the blood pumping.
Also while having an SMT at those
Make
highs.
some breakfast.
And then I am bearish because we already had like a move lower. And if this wants to be the high put in, then we have to have some sort of manipulation. So we had the manipulation and then this busy, which if we are bullish should be respected, which we did not do. We closed below it, so that means an IVG. But the one thing is that these lows
There you go, fried spam.
are right there. And I actually gotta check. Where would I go break even? Oh, this one is tricky actually.
A little pat
So
of
already
butter
see
here,
clean
let it
lows in
just
here.
melt all over it.
No, really, honestly, I'm not too sure on this. This is probably a trade where
Just
I'm gonna put it in the
smearing some melted
folder
butter
of
all over my bread. A little bit of honey
trades that maybe I could have taken, but I wasn't too confident with.
Fried bread, honey butter.
Let me put that in here and play this out. So it still is moving lower. What would be my first TP? Here. So there. Yes, definitely. And then here, yeah, that would be first TP then. And final TP that low here. But honestly, I wasn't too sure with this. So this is an exception. Where's Notion? But yeah, it still played out. Look at that, that's beautiful. Trades where I wasn't too confident with, but maybe could have been a trade. Paste that in there.
Butter and spam. Breakfast of champions right there.
Love the crab roll. I drop in every now and then. See how you're getting on. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yes, it's in there in my strategy. Always some sort of accumulation, building up liquidity, manipulation. People have to be out of the market. Their stops have to be taken, and then the distribution. I'm trying to catch it, and then because the people are already stopped out, I'm thinking the idea is, okay, my stop shouldn't then be hunted.
It's time to clean up the campsite and go do a little more hunting.
Mirror markets can reverse directly from consolidation. Needs some form of manipulation. Yes. Purpose rip real quick. We'll watch this party drop some gold just now.
I gotta tell you, the older I
Do you ever target imbalances for TP? No, never. No. I tried that before. But no, I really just like to target liquidity. And you could say imbalances are liquidity as well. I can agree on lower time frame it is, but I'm just really looking at the market structure and trying to look at it from a human perspective as well, because I think there is definitely some sort of algorithm running the market, but it's not just the algorithm. It's also with real stop losses, real humans trading. Like, I think it's a combination of both. So going to like a 15-second time frame, 10-second time frame, I'm really looking for like the obvious highs, lows, clean highs, clean lows, and then zooming in too much, that no, I don't like it. Could as well say like an imbalance for like a higher time frame, like a 1 hour. But I would, yeah, I'm just targeting liquidity. Like in an imbalance as well, like let's say in an hour here. Like if there is really something, I will zoom in then, there. And if there are like clean highs there, then I would target that. Then I would want to target that, but yeah, no, it's not like a, of course, not like a bad thing to do, but I just don't do it. Like I still think we want to go lower. This is very clean sell side, but before I can look for short, first I have to have some sort of manipulation. In my eyes, I see these highs now. These look very clean. Because these aren't also taken on the S. It could also be that we just instantly drop lower and you don't even go to these highs, but if I see a manipulation above this, no, unfortunately. Then, and then the IVG, then I would take that, but unfortunately no. So now here again, if then we look, if we look then at here, okay, I said here maybe this is the high, and then it wants to go lower. Now it went lower, but I also said the same thing about this low. If you're really bullish, then this could be low for us to reverse all the way higher again. Could be, but I'm not gonna look for a, I'm not gonna say, okay, yeah, this is the low, I'm gonna look for longs now because I think it's gonna go higher from somewhere here. I'm just gonna still look for shorts because it's short term still bearish. But it's also subjective, but I don't know. Alright, next video. Yeah, still wanna look for short. It's almost inside my kill zone as well, so I don't think there's anything is gonna happen. Still see the clean highs. Still dropping lower. I'm not trying to catch the bottom in this still trading bearish market. But yeah, it's outside my kill zone now, so no trades this day. Friday, trading the entire day as well. I think that sound is a bit too loud again. He's with his son camping. What do you do with the daily collective trades that you could have taken but didn't? I'm looking at it, like, do I see some sort of pattern? Like, if I look at it from like a later point, I could say, okay, yeah, maybe this then could have been a trade because like here I wasn't too confident, but also I see this then play out. It would also give me a bit more confidence if I see this pattern repeating, and yeah. Stuff you're explaining in auction market theory, mentioning where people's stops are and stuff. Maybe you should get into overflow. You can actually see. Yeah, that's true. You could potentially increase. Just an opinion. Don't take it. It's true. Or but yeah, I should look into it actually. Like that would be so interesting. Yeah, here. So I said, okay, maybe this could have been a low and then all the way higher. This is now looking pretty clean though. Sell side. Order flow, is it also with the book map? Is that it? Or no? Okay, so still have these clean lows. We are pushing higher, but Ari is respecting this all still. This is 2-hour city, which we closed above. Yes, it's still respecting it though. But this push higher is just, I don't know why it's so much higher. Zooming in this. Like here. Here, all these gaps. All these gaps here. I'm zooming in. What do I see in market structure? Okay, if we want to go lower, then this is probably a target where you want to go to because this is just very clean. Lost stop losses here. Doesn't matter long, short, like if people are long, then stop losses are here because like support resist traders think yeah, that there is actual support here, so stop loss below that, or like breakout traders, they'll put this stop order below and they'll go short once that gets triggered. It's just a lot of liquidity. But then these clean lows is what I see. If we even want to go lower, I'm preferring lower. We could still go higher, but then that has to be obvious to me. Zooming in just on a 1 minute already. 8:30 news. I'm gonna play up price action a bit because I can't do anything when we're at the top there. Already big move lower, then zooming in here as well. I also see that we have clean highs here. That would have been perfect if we just manipulated above the highs first and then went lower. You could still do that, 930, yeah. You never know. SMT to high now. My setup has to form some sort of IVG. There isn't. So I'm still not entering. Still, there is now an IVG here, but I'm looking for a single one. So we have a busy here, a busy here. Then go another 2 minute. There has to be a single one, which there isn't. So this then wouldn't be an entry. This does look clean though, because also here, now we have an SMT at these highs. We have an SMT at these highs, and then yeah, that pushing lower. Zooming in, probably like a 15-second there, or no, 45-second maybe there would be single IFG, but I'm going lower than a minute. Oh wow, look at this. Very, very clean lows. Now we did take this slow, but very clean lows, and then still pushing higher. I actually like this because there's still a chance for there to be another form of manipulation. And then I'll take the short here. I actually gonna take this 1004. Am I? This is then the target. Probably in the real market, I would wait for like a retracement, and then I'll take that. Objectively, this should be my entry, but because this just the R is just crazy, I'll probably realistically live market. I want to see like a retracement, then I'll take it as a limit order. Why now? Because okay, we have clean lows. We have clean lows here. We had to push all the way higher, yes, which doesn't really make sense to me. We did disrespect this CB, but then this on the ES is still respecting. We did get a drop lower at 930. We went lower, ES then went higher, took out the high here. Actually the highest high. So let's say significant high. And SMT there, while still NQ showing that it's pretty bearish. And then I was closing below this IVG after then the SMT. And then yeah, this maybe could go instantly, and it does, but yeah. Here, realistically or objectively, this should have been the entry. But yeah, I don't want to take this. I think the R is just terrible. I probably, again, as I said, realistically would wait for like a retracement a bit higher, but didn't get that. But still, this played out. Okay, what now? We take clean lows in like equilibrium of this range, so it could reverse off here and then go all the way higher, but still I'm preferring for it to go lower. And the market short-term bear is now short-term bearish. It's still going lower. And yeah, I don't want to call the bottom in this. If it wants to go higher, then it's going to show it wants to go higher. So I'll just wait. I'll play it out. So far, nothing. So I'm looking at like both. I see now here. Okay, yeah. So here, we probably still want to go lower. I saw these highs. These were like clean. And if we want to go lower, then we probably take these highs. Go a bit above this, still respecting this, probably the gap in here, and then from here go lower again, but we're just totally disrespecting this. So this already shows me, okay, probably want to go higher. We're higher too. This is already taken. This is already taken. So then next star is on yes. Not even looking at INQ and these because I see that these are already taken. So first next one would be here. Here, and now now I'm more convinced that we want to go higher, being for us to be bullish in this. But then for me to take an entry, I again first need to see some sort of manipulation, taking out clean sell side or have an SMT at sell side, and then I can look for a long. Okay. What do we do here? This low, we do have an SMT here, but yes, this is already a big drop. So yeah, back and forth. I'm not too sure then what we want to do here. Let's see. Still the SMT is holding. Take out the low here on NQ as well. This is like Persian revert then for me. Like in my eyes, okay. We already had the SMT here. If we wanted to go higher, then we should have went higher. It went even lower. NQ took it as well. But if it instantly reverses, then that's like the last chance for us to go all the way higher. See if it does. It's just dropping. Okay, this is looking good. And then again, I want to see my entry form. No IVG in this. I see a SIBI here, but no real clean liquidity taken. Almost outside my kill zone now. SMT at that. Oh my god. Alright, yeah, I'll take this. What time is this? Oh my god. 11:30, yeah, that's perfect then. Here, still respecting this. Purge and revert. We already had SMT, but NQ took it as well. Okay, that's fine, but it has to instantly reverse from here. We already had the SMT there. Then here took out the low again, and then as well with this. That's SMT, right? Yeah, another one. So that was here. And then I said one more manipulation, I'll take it. And then in my eyes, this low with this low. Get an SMT there. Singular IVG here. Closing above. And then let's see, that'll be first EP. And I would let it run until here. This would be very nice if this plays out. Could also be an instant stop loss, but objectively this is just an entry. It just looks good to me. Let's see. It's breaky. Did I explain? Oh, wait. Makes sense to me. We look at higher time for entry, like displacement out of 15, then IVG or change state. Not like a specific time frame, just looking through, yeah, almost, not all, but yeah, just scrolling through various time frames. There's a bunch of things on it, like footprint charts, heat maps, volume bubbles, delta, all showing where the big moves are in the market and stuff. Explain risk management strategy I was looking at. It's the one guy uses of the video I sent you. He uses his profit for the day to risk more on the trades he takes. In the worst case, it's break even for the day, but if he trade hits, it's insane profit because normally the first trade he takes is around 0.25, but he decides up when he starts to make some more profits and next days resets. There's a strat like that before, it seems insane. So normally takes first trade, takes around. He risks more when he gets more profits, you mean? Yeah, I don't know. It really didn't make sense to me with that. With the risk management. Like you risk more when you make more. Of course, it's nice if you keep winning, but if you then lose, like, okay, it then resets, you are break even, but then all the profits are gone. Let's see if this plays out. Oh man, look at that. Another Persian reverse trade, man, that's just insane. I love trades like that. Oh, look at this, man. It's just a perfect example. Wow, oh wow. This is insane. This market analysis was 10 out of 10 for myself. 11:30. Wow. This is literally perfect. Very, 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 very nice. Down here underneath the cot, it's about 38 degrees, so almost 10 degrees cooler. Getting yourself off the ground even a few inches. Yeah, not just the trade, but just the things around it. How I explained it, what I wanted to see, and then this is just perfect, man. This is such clean price action. Magnificent. A little bit of butter and garlic paste in here. We're gonna try to melt this butter without melting my Tupperware. Aftermarket here. That's at 11:30. Got some king crab claws there. They're all pre-cooked, so all you gotta do is warm them up. Yes, there was an SMT 2.36. And PC price index. And then all day news. Oh, garlic powder. It's an insane steak. Oh my. Hickory. When his winner is really high, it's a really profitable strategy. Yeah, sounds insane. Bro, his son looks like he froze to death.
Jake, wake up. We got Jake.
Sorry.
Jacob, wake up. Wake up, Jacob, wake up.
What? Ah. What? Okay, there you go to Monday. Yeah, I want to look into the book map. It sounds so interesting, and I've looked at it from like live streams and
Chunk of meat right there.
yeah, people sharing it, but yeah, I wanted to try to get it try and use it for myself, but you have to pay for it, right? That's one thing. Like, so I could maybe do a trial or something, but
Look at that, it's a huge, isn't it? Oh, I get like bigger than this.
0.25 some days to make 6%. But he then takes multiple trades
Look at that.
on a day.
That's a big chunk of meat. You want to bite? No.
Like he's then risking 0.25%. He takes a win. He risks like 0.5%. He takes another win. You mean like so, or what do you mean? Wait, why is this not in the session? Oh.
That tastes like
What?
brains? That warm you up?
Huh. Bro, that's insane.
Hey Jacob, do you want to roast marshmallows? Alright, I got a marshmallow stick.
Oh, cute kid.
There's your
He
stick.
scalps.
Got it?
How many trades does
That
he
marshmallow good?
take per day, average?
You tired? You want to get into bed? Oh, you got to tell me more story. Okay. Yeah, you want a body warmer? These are the adhesive
Okay.
body warmers. They're absolutely wonderful. Stick these to your undergarments. When you go inside your sleeping bag, you'll be warm all
Bro, it's
night.
great.
Oh. Get in there. Hey, Jake, are you warm? Here. There's your blankie. Scoot over, buddy. Make room for Dad. All right, bud, you want to watch a movie together? All right, now they got Jacob down. I need to get even more firewood. It's going to take a bit. It's about
What?
11:15, and Jake's sound asleep in my bed. And I kind of need that bed myself. I was going to make a bed for Jake, but we kind of ran out of time, so I'm going to improvise something.
Ooh, 3 minutes.
Okay, hold on. It's okay. It's okay, bud. It's okay.
What?
That should be pretty comfy, and he can't roll out.
Oh man, what's this? There's some tea though.
Sitting here drying my socks off, I can hear 3 owls having a hoot off.
Oh, there's some tea.
Yeah, they're
1,
going
2.
bonkers.
Ooh, thing is, it's London session though. I'm still gonna take it. Clean lows. It just looks perfect. Liquidity build up as well. Everything is looking perfect. But the one thing is, London session. I don't know. Date on it, but I still don't trust London session.
We weren't supposed to get any snow last night, but it's 7 a.m. and there's a fair amount of snow here. Look at this. Look at Jake's bag. Woohoo.
This honestly is just looking perfect. What? London session, man. I just don't like it. Wow. Alright, oh. Yeah, I gotta end session here. 40 minutes.
Warm, thick slab bacon on a cold morning. It's not too bad.
My class is 2%.
We're just watching the sun slowly
No, we
come
risk
up.
0
We're
to
just
make
packing
5R.
up, eating breakfast, taking it easy.
5R?
Now we got the place
1.25% and then risk at 25.
Alright.
2% or 8 trades. So I guess those maybe one time every 2 months trades basically per auction. What? Is it took your TP? Oh yeah, loss, yeah. Bro, yeah. 526. Price action, meh. London. No news. You could prevent with Orpho too, like maybe before that happened there were really big buyers. I still have to watch the video that you sent me. This weekend, I'll be able to watch it. I will watch it this weekend. Yeah, maybe I really have something with it. Stop it. It's okay. Let's see. Yeah, then I took one good trade and then one L. Yeah, so yeah, like the same as yesterday. Yeah, gonna end session here. Thanks for being here, Vet. Oh, end session here. Have a good night or a nice day. Or good night. No? Yeah, good night. See you, man. Ciao. Ooh. Ooh.